Start. Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the polar form of the complex number, chapter number 5. In this chapter, you know very well, root a into root b is equal to root ab. It is possible only when if a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. It is possible only when a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. And root a into root b is not equal to root ab if a less than 0 and b less than 0. Correct? It is not valid. For example, root minus 3 into root minus 2. Both are negative term. So root minus 3 you can write root minus 1 into root 3. And root minus 2 you can write root minus 1 into root 2. Clear? And can you tell me what is the value of this root minus 1? Iota. This is called iota. And this is as it is root 3. This is also called iota, I. Root 2. बताइए root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3. That is root 6. Root 6. Iota into iota. Iota into iota. Iota square. And what is the value of iota square? Iota square minus 1. So therefore this is equal to minus root 6. This is equal to minus root 6. You can say root minus 3 into root minus 2, that is equal to minus root 6. Clear? Now we discuss about the polar form of the complex number. You know z is equal to a plus iota b, and point P, coordinate of point P, A and B. A and B. This is origin. Join OP and draw the perpendicular. PM. You know that these are the coordinate of the point P, and this plane is called complex plane. Complex plane, or you can say tangent plane. And this is called x-axis, you know, but in complex plane this is called real axis. This is called real axis. And in the Cartesian plane this is y-axis, but in complex plane this is imaginary axis. IMZ means imaginary axis. And these are the coordinate of the complex number. A is the real part from here, and B is the imaginary part, and we want to convert this into polar form. Polar form, you know, z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. We want to convert into polar form. This angle is called theta. This angle, positive direction of x-axis, angle between x-axis and OP. This is theta is called argument of z. Argument of z, or simply you can say ARG z. Argument of z, theta. Theta means angle between OP and x-axis. OP and x-axis, angle between OP and x-axis, positive direction. Now can you tell me the length of OM? The length of OM, that is A, and this is B. PM is equal to B. OM A and PM B. OM, that is abscissa, distance from y-axis, and PM, that is ordinate, distance from x-axis. In triangle POM, apply Pythagoras theorem. A square plus B square is equal to, and the name of this OPR we can take R square. R you can say modulus of Z. So therefore modulus of Z is equal to root A square plus B square. Root A square plus B square. Clear? And in that, in the same triangle POM, can you tell me A by R? A by R, base upon hypotenuse, that is cos theta, you know, in 10th class. A is equal to multiply R cos theta, and in the same triangle B upon R, B perpendicular upon hypotenuse, Pandit Badri Prasad bole, the same formula, that is sin theta, and B is equal to R sin theta. Clear? So A R cos theta and B R sin theta. Put the value of A and B in this equation. Here Z is equal to A plus iota B. Z is equal to A. Put the value of A, R cos theta plus iota R sin theta. R take common, you can take common R, cos theta plus iota sin theta. This is called the polar form. Thank you.